Teka lang. Teka. This is your 4 keys. Color red. Oops. Color green. Color yellow. And color blue. These are your keys. I'll give it to you now. So you clean your keys. Yay! Galit na galit yung mukha. Clean your keys. Yay! Uy, natapon na. Dali. Keep it safe. Don't throw. Keep it safe. Clean your keys. Yay! Isa pa, dali. Cling your keys. Yay! Cling your keys. Oh, ito pa, anak. What's this? This is a tennis racket. Tennis.
Thomas?
Huh?
St. Amand